All right, yes, welcome back. 7 minutes now. Now you don't dance. Skilly will come out from 11 o'clock. And of course, you don't hear the sweet voice of Lady JK. The answer better one of Naija FM. Now, both of us should come with you live and direct onto the arrangement of Across the Bridge for today, July 4, 2023. Lady, I like this your. Anytime you wear this your earring, this your star earring, they make me remember the stars of Ghana.
Really?
The black stars of Ghana.
Stars of Ghana.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I never wear the earring for a while.
Okay.
Because one of the pin lost.
Oh.
So I can't discover. These small purses where they use. They go when we dress. They go events.
I can't discover just put for inside your bag.
Another earring inside.
Okay.
Get
the same pin.
No, same pin. We go fit and we go hold them. Okay. So let me say, you know what? May I try them again?
The black stars of Ghana.
Yeah.
How you walk out to the
beautiful.
office? Yeah, so black it is. It is a very beautiful color.
Yes.
But how you walk out to the office this morning?
Well,
first?
my walk out to the office. No traffic like yesterday.
Okay.
Yesterday traffic mad well. I not go lie. I think around to 9 after 9 we reach here yesterday. Yes, but today we reach here past 8.
I'm not actually just shocked saying I face that traffic because as you know, I leave my house like 5 o'clock. I got to the office 10 minutes to 6.
Wow.
I did shocked because I never stay too long like that on top of the third mainland bit before. But the thing where I don't know if they can't carry that truck. You get one truck where pure water truck.
Then don't come out them.
Okay.
But now the bags of pure water.
Yeah, where they on the floor.
Floor.
So now that truck now because the traffic don't day from as you they enter inside Bagada. From Bagada Rider, you won't go calling third mainland bridge. As at 5 o'clock, that traffic don't already did there. So now they call on authorities yesterday. So me they quickly could carry the trucks come up because I know say it will cause more traffic. So I think now waiting on our face.
In fact, the traffic even can't start from I think 7 or before we feel even reach Yanoworo.
Wow.
And Ogudu or Yanoworo to pick up.
It don't start from 7 up.
It don't start from there. So as it be like gridlock at the point I don't process for my mind say we go reach office really late. Wow,
that means that I won't even stay good.
It's still good.
Okay, all right. You don't talk. Say we could talk about this young lady once again. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce her name.
Mesoma.
I know she they bear. She not Joy Rita.
She even bear Joy.
Joy, yeah. So now that Joy I know. So that Mesoma, the name they come up from my head very fast. So you say you want make we talk about her based on jam arrangement.
Yesterday night, Auntie IBK, big shout out to you. Send me the video updates from the girl.
Okay.
Where they give her own side of the whole story. You know, she can't hold the printout. Say this not the result where she print out from jam portal. So she no understand when did they talk say she forged her results. Say how she forged and say she no get that mind to forge and say if the first where she they take no be today start from nursery school or primary school, secondary. Okay, she did secondary school. Say she don't they take first. She never for one day take class. So now something where I feel say in day inborn na part of her. And she said they even can't scan that QR code again. Na Yoruba name na issue and that person get like 360.
But they can't check him again. The person can't get lesser than that.
So it's just obvious say something they wrong. My anger na say first of all, this girl na minor. You're not supposed to expose this girl, this child, to this kind embarrassment.
So the DSS they involved.
They themselves they know the law. You're not supposed to treat minor cases like you go treat an adult case. She never reached 18 yet. Why? Then do their I talked this in yesterday for Last Giddy Alpha. I say how much of their investigation then carry out to they sure say this girl forged the results. How she take forge jam? Waiting she use. You know when you say person forge something, you go see the what do they call them? The evidence of say something they forged. Like now, all this telecommunication where they use the call. Say if you want, it don't happen to person. If you want wipe out the call where you don't call to somebody. Now to go there say okay, please wipe. Is that possible now? Yes or no?
To wipe out the
call log.
The call log. Okay. If you also delete from your phone, but I don't know. Even after you delete from your phone, maybe they will still get them.
Now if they want to do investigation and they reach there, they go see them.
Okay.
My point now say when they go, which cyber cafe then go check to be sure say this person do forge her result, manipulate her results. And she get the girl. If when you even look at the girl as the girl they talk, you gonna say this one.
Yeah, even from I talked earlier on. Say she even sounded more intelligent than the so-called people where they inside university. She even did more intelligent than them. But we give thanks to God. Say waiting devil won't use as for evil. God don't open another door for him. Although the governor of Anambra State, Oga Soludo, he don't set up a panel also. Say apart from the investigation where them DSS and police they do say his own panel too, they go do their own investigation to really know, because right now JAM don't they talk say they don't ban them for 3 years which go fit participate in any of the examinations. Yeah. Oh, wow. So now after that news come out, we hear say that person from Bitcoin Lord Abi, yeah, I'm waiting they call him Bitcoin Lord being, tell her say, okay, make she no worry, say make she pick any university where we say she won't go to, either in the United States, United Kingdom or Canada. Say they go foot the bill of a scholarship from the moment she starts till she finish with her masters.
Wow.
So
what the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around. Turn it around. What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around for our good. You see? You will see?
Yeah.
Sometimes God they use the most
silly thing, exactly.
And
exactly
for your own benefit. My own did way pain I said the girl said she did so traumatized.
Yeah.
Who go there traumatized?
I can even imagine the shame right now maybe say our family, they go through. Say, you don't know the daughter of Chief Kiniko from something community. I don't know, and say Igbo people get the way we say they stigmatize a certain family. The moment anything don't happen, they say, I beg, don't be that family where we say they do this, they do that, So yeah,
they not go even sit down find out whether this thing are true. Once they just hear say this thing happen, they done the wrong with that narrative.
Yeah,
it happen.
Yeah, and we don't hear in the past about some of our so-called leaders we don't manipulate their certificate. We know say DSS ever look into their matter, but for a minor like her, they say DSS.
We won't do anything.
It's just a shame.
Anyway, may I just control myself. May I not talk something and before we go see letter from NBC. We'll leave about that.
It is
but
well.
Congratulations to you, Mesoma, and I pray that God will use this situation to comfort you.
Amen.
Because now what she need. I even wish say she go come out for some time.
Yeah.
Maybe she just leave that environment.
With all those schools in the abroad, fast if they do everything, definitely, she go come out. She go come out from the country as fast as possible.
If JAM gets sense, make them do that investigation well. And come out with evidence. No, they just accuse people anyhow.
It is well. All right, Lady J. So he gets one message where somebody be sent, to one post subman on Twitter.
Okay.
And this man, when myself go through this thing, well, I did shocked a little bit, So this man, a single father of one, his wife died 10 years ago, and he say he no one remarry. So the daughter just started university, and say university girls, the way we say they dress, it could definitely be different from how somebody way we say in a secondary school they dress, or somebody way never enter into the university. So the man now say his daughter way of dressing changed. Say right now, the daughter they dress almost half naked around the house. Say so, but when this girl comes home, you get time maybe say she go braless, and sometimes she wear short. Especially those shorts where they extremely short, like almost hot pants. So the man say, unfortunately, say they feel turn on.
Ew.
And he don't know how to tell her daughter right now, say, make she stop to the dress like that in the house whenever she comes home. So she in contact ask, say, should he discuss with her? And if yes, how make him start the discussion with his daughter? Say, because he don't even know how to tell her, say, this kind of dressing, you they dress, they understand. Yeah.
I need to understand something. How you go they turned on by your daughter?
That's the number one question.
Then it means there's something they wrong with you as a person, as
a father.
What? Your daughter, your pikin, Hey, it for better make you remarry.
Thank you.
You for remarry.
Thank you.
So that your daughter no go to enter your eye. Then it means that now you need the counseling. Now you need the help. And the truth, this man, you need the help. I make him find them fast.
Fast
because as they talk this one now, hey, another time now, if it be something else, because I don't read this story back in the days.
Okay.
This man, similar to this man, his wife die, and then get daughter. He tried to remarry, but his fear now say make you not marry woman.
We go they maltreat the daughter.
So the only thing when they do now, if they get girlfriends, he go bring them come house, then they together for some time, he go break up. You get one time where he say the girl come back home, find another woman for their bed. Say the girl cry well. Say because of that, fit bring any woman home again or friend anybody to make them happy.
Yeah.
The girl can't grow. They go in university. She grow, she can't be so beautiful. She don't develop. He can't they turned on
by the daughter. Wow.
He did so bad, so he rape his daughter.
Whoa, crazy.
The girl they sleep. He start to the girl they know she at first the girl say she thinks she did dream. When she go up on her, she called the beg and daddy please don't do this. Daddy please don't do this. Now he take in daughter. It is virgin in daughter.
Wow.
The girl cries, say you did this to me, you beast. He can't the beg and saying this sorry. The girl can't get belly. Can't tell him say she no go come out the belly. She enter university. She named the girl Joy.
Wow.
I read that particular. Now the man they confess by himself. Say see what he do to his daughter. Remarry. I beg.
Exactly.
Remarry.
I'm so sorry to mention this one. You get one other pastor where his wife died. Where we say we all know. Where we say wife died. Where we say he talk say in daughter say make he no remarry.
Yeah.
It's I think Punch newspaper carried this pastor's news sometime this weekend. The person. We be say daughters talk say make you no remarry, so therefore say no one remarry.
The thing with this particular
and the pastor too is young now, and that man is still young.
The thing with him,
he's still young.
In first marriage, no work out. Didn't they marry? I don't know how long did that marriage last. He can't remarry.
Yeah.
With somebody where he loves so much. Sadly, she waka. I remember one interview where they watch. He say he give everything to in late wife. So as it is now, he don't get anything to give anybody.
Oh.
Now waiting. I gave it talk for that interview. I watched the interview. But it no go bad if you remarry.
It no go bad. And the waiting make this case different from the pastor's own. As they say, this one now the only child where this man actually gets, not this daughter. So one of the comments besides somebody say the best thing for this man to do now to talk to this girl, or if he feels say he no go fit, talk to her directly. At least the mama where die get mama. Right? Get sisters. And the man gets sisters to get mama.
Yes.
So why you no use your female members of your family to talk to her? If you feel say you yourself you no go fit talk to her. Because at the end of the day, if he abused that girl, the regrets go there forever.
And if he decide to do something to himself, say everything I do to my daughter, I don't deserve. So to be on the safe side, guy, I beg you in the name of God, talk to your late wife's family.
Exactly. Or your own family. Maybe women. Yeah.
Secondly, remarry. Because you be human being.
And it ain't normal. Now wait to make you human.
It normal too. It just be like say my brother they live with me. I say I they look my brother and they turned on by my own brother.
Never.
That's incest.
Never. Somebody talks unless maybe na stepdaughter that get beat to him. You go talk say because if na person wey be say na your wife, na your real daughter. There's no how you go to get turned on by such. No, that one na rubbish. Na incest.
That na incest. And incest get consequences.
Yes. Yes.
You know one start
at all.
Leave am.
Okay.
I beg.
To the next one where we say there, lady, I want to ask you. If somebody asks you right now, say how many months or how many years you keep malice with somebody for, wait till you go talk to the highest months or years where you keep malice with somebody.
With somebody. We won't break this table. Hey, God. I know fit counts like that.
Okay.
But I know say I don't dey angry with someone for long.
Okay.
Because of waiting, I feel say the person.
So you don't know how long he be?
I know.
He
I know
enter
say,
years.
I think so.
Hey,
Well,
Lady
no, I
J.
say yes, as in.
Hey.
Pepper me now.
Okay.
I say every day that, hey, this thing. And on the other hand, naturally, I be very sensitive person. You know, sensitive children. And if you no treat you get as you go take handle a sensitive child
Yeah.
than another child, you know. So I grew up with all the sensitivity, enter inside adulthood. So when you pinch me like that, I forgot you go they pepper me. And you know, being a male, a melancholy, you go revisit that scenario over and over again. You go even add Jara for inside self, for inside your mind. You dey add remember the whole thing. Add this one. The thing will not happen. No, go add this one. Add this one. Let her come to myself. Madam, you don't carry this thing for long. Drop her. Drop her. Let it go. Let it go. Even of recent self. Not be say you get things where people don't do. We don't pepper me, but I go sit down and think the thing where they look for and the thing where this person do me, which one they more important? The thing where they ask say, Baba God, I beg do for me, and this thing where this person do, waiting they more important. Waiting they more important now, waiting like they ask God for. And many times when God want to do something, if you see say you get bitterness and anger for your heart.
Yeah.
Now you don't carry your hand, take the land, because then we go tell and say why you won't bless him. You also say get they bitter. You also say get unforgiveness. You understand? Not be say God no want do am, but he no fit go. You know if you do anything outside in principles and in word. You know, so much but I don't they preach.
No, go ahead. Preach on pastor.
I know I beg you. But my point now say people go always offend you. Whether you like them or not. As long as you they breathe and you did this life. It go happen. No matter how you pray from now to tomorrow, I don't want to make anybody offend me.
They will offend you.
They will offend you. The people they know they offend.
The reason why I ask this question now because you get one a married page on Instagram where we say they ask the married people say how long they don't keep malice with their spouses for.
Hey.
And I see message I shock.
Some say for 1 year, be 2
3 years.
3 years.
3 years.
That's a long time now.
Now the longest one maybe I see. Even the person who asked the question, she says she's shocked. And they live for the same house. They sleep on the same bed.
Then they take.
They know they take.
No, they take.
No.
Wow.
The husband and wife, they under the same roof and they keep malice for themselves for 3 good years. So when I first see that one, the first question will come my head be say, okay, the children don't notice anything. Say, okay, daddy and mommy
are not
talking. Because if it's still 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, but 3 years, and the children don't notice, say something like that day between them.
I sure say the children notice. You know, many times they think say children don't know anything. Children they're more intelligent than how we they give them credit for. They will notice. Then they notice very well. I remember once when I see this mom, my mama and my papa quarrel. My mama and papa quarrel. They don't know say I hear them. When we wake up for morning, I go meet my mama. Mommy, why were you fighting with daddy? Maybe you said that children of God don't fight. She's shocked. He said, I'm sorry. But you are not supposed to fight daddy. You were fighting daddy. Daddy even said people should pray. You say you will not pray. Hey, my mama shocked. I hear. Now I hear. You understand?
Yeah.
But as small I go confront and say, why they fight with daddy? So children, then they see.
But funny enough, this person will be 3 years so. Now the husband will talk to the woman for 3 years so. You know, so normally they talk, say women normally say we get the spirit of malice. Yes. But right now the lady say my husband collect PhD in malice keeping. Say they keep malice for the past 3 years. I remember that time too when we still live from Mushin. That time where I don't know what happened between my dad and my mom. But the moment my daddy don't talk, say carry this food come up from my front. There is something, you know, because normally for man where normally they excited to chop in wife's food. All of a sudden you can't say, come on, carry this food, come on from my phone. We knew there was something wrong. So and my mama, she go tell she no fit spend how many hours in the kitchen. Even if you're not a fight, time come reach for you to chop. you say you no chop. Fire on the mountain, they look for trouble. So I think that time my papa no chop the food. Now we the children eventually chop the food. My mama come the verse say, can you imagine after all the hours we say she's spent for inside kitchen. This man no can't chop the food. My mama can't carry the matter for her head. Before we know waiting they go on. One of those days my mama dey inside room. My daddy just go tickle am for waist. That day we say, now the rest of we don't say, my mama say, Daddy, FB Silejo. Daddy, FB Silejo. We just say,
you don't tire now.
Exactly.
You don't tire. No, Pastor Sam share one story to say one man they angry with him wife. They angry with him wife, so she cook for him. He no chop. He go sleep. Following morning, she cook breakfast. He no chop. He waka comot. When he come back, you see food. He no chop. Okay. No problem. The wife can't get the memo. So when he can't wake up the following morning, no food. He come back from work, no food. He say he did that for like 4 days.
Wow.
Now he can't give himself sense. Say, Abba, wait till happen. Because the woman don't say, you know, I want chop my food, no problem. And do how many as you want, but I no go kill myself to cook for you. So when the hunger don't minister to and finish, now he come by himself, can't find the wife. You know, my mentor go always say, if you talk say sir, if you talk say you dey vex, no go chop. You know they hungry.
Abi.
When hunger catch you, you go find where.
So the reason why I asked that question actually now because normally, you know, if person where you don't get anything intimate with, it is easier for you to keep the malice for the with the person for a very long time. But if not person where we say, you know, intimacy day now, your husband, you be wife, even if you don't have children. You know, and I don't date married already. I just they shocked say they carry the malice enter they all whooping years, like 3 years. It did too much. Normally, I never marry, but from waiting, I don't experience so far and I've read so far. Normally, they say if you dey fight with your spouse, no let's nights go. Like that, you know, no let money.
Don't let the sun go down on your anger.
Yeah, so may you not try to settle everything. Settle on that same day.
You know, and besides in malice, it also affect health. It affect health. Maybe we end with this particular scenario. This woman, she get belly. Her husband offender. They go meet pastor. Pastor say yes. Actually, the woman get right to be offended. Her husband really offend them. They say, you be wife, but see, for you dey offended, you dey angry. We understand, but forgive your husband for the sake of
your child, unborn child.
He said, Lala, husband offender, husband offender. They beg her. The malice can't increase her blood pressure. Sadly, it didn't kill the pikin.
Whoa,
the
that's
pressure.
very sad.
You see, when a woman they pregnant, you don't need stress. You don't need all this malice fight. This one, that one. They affect another life where they carry. These are just some of the examples of what malice they do. Some aside from high blood pressure, also some they even start to talk say then they get nightmares and they fit sleep because that devil territory now.
Of course,
keep malice. I go tell you say you get my property with you. I can't visit. You understand?
Yeah.
You know, so I beg, nothing where anybody do you. They was carrying for years. Me, I even talk to my own self. I talk to myself as I send this message, as I talk this thing. Nothing as bad as waiting person do you, pain you.
Yeah.
You don't now yourself. You they do favor when you forgive and when you let go. Because unforgiveness, people like say you drink poison, they expect to make person die.
Oh, it is well. All right. Hello, don't time inside the studio. It means it's time for us to close the curtain for today across the bridge. Don't forget to Lady Day on standby. And of course, now you go carry the arrangement to overworked chop from now reach at 4 p.m. From me to you. See you tomorrow for the sweet in the middle edition of Morning Runs.
See you in a few minutes.
You know, so I don't say now your voice with that.
How you sound?
I can't think say now my voice
No.
Okay. All right. See you tomorrow from 6 a.m. all the way till 10. Tomorrow now Wednesday at 10 with the close. 10, yeah. Yes. All right. Tinkling news time. It don't reach. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Tinkling news.
And there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.